Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about supercharging your trading with the power of machine learning. Forget clunky indicators and missed opportunities. We're diving into 3 cutting-edge setups that can help you boost your winning ratio and become a more informed trader. And I will thoroughly test all these 3 trading setups and show them to you. As a trader, understanding the impact of news on the market is crucial. To stay informed, I recommend using the Fast Bull website. It is free. This platform not only provides the latest news, but also offers insights into how the market is likely to move in response to the news. And if you want someone to give you a signal and you trade, then you can also use its A signal, and you can also see the monthly results of profit and loss. Don't wait any longer, the link is in the description below. After watching this video, be sure to visit the website for valuable information. Alright, let's dive into the unique setup that combines 3 popular indicators: super trend, parabolic, and MACD. Now, remember, no single indicator guarantees success, but this combination aims to offer clear entry and exit signals with defined risk management. Here's how it works. Buy signals: when the super trend turns sky blue and an upward arrow appears, and the MACD turns gray or sky blue, it suggests a potential buying opportunity. Stop loss: place your stop loss below the buy arrow. Profit target: aim to close your trade at the next sell signal, generated by the indicator combination. Now, for sell signals, look for a red super trend and red arrow, along with a red MACD. This indicates a potential selling opportunity. While this setup can generate attractive profit to loss ratios, I can't guarantee a high winning percentage. Remember, testing and practice are crucial before using any strategy with real money. And a crucial aspect: if you leverage Trader Edge for backtesting before venturing into the real market, you'll save a significant amount of money from potential losses. Let me show you before doing the live test how to install this indicator in the TradingView. First of all, you have to search for SSL Hybrid Indicator. After that, you have to search for the QQE Mod Indicator. We backtested it on the gold 15-minute chart. $100 trades over 2 months. Impressive 57% win rate. Returned a whopping 378% profit. By utilizing the news on the Fast Bull website, you can gain a competitive edge with market impact news delivered 5 seconds in advance. Don't miss out, visit the website today. Second top setup, designed for visual learners and trend traders. This setup combines moving averages and a dynamic indicator to help you identify potential entry and exit points with clear risk management. Add 3 exponential moving averages to the chart with the following settings. EMA1, length 32. EMA2, length 32, source low. EMA3, length 32, source high. Now our first setup is ready. We will use these 3 moving averages as dynamic support and resistance zones. Traders usually draw traditional horizontal support and resistance lines, but the price does not exactly react to support and resistance lines. But if you draw a zone on market prices high and low, it's more accurate. We need to add another indicator to our chart on top of the page. Click on the Indicators option, open the tab on the search bar, type Swing Arm ATR. Now this is how the indicator looks, and it contains some signal in zone line. To make the most of the indicator, we must open the settings of the indicator and change some things up so that the indicator can become more optimized and efficient for our strategy. First, in this Style tab, we disable the Sum option. Next, we move to the Input section, and from there we change the ATR period to 200, and the ATR factor to 8. Sell trade, black flag indicator turns red, price holds within EMA zone, and a strong downward candlestick pattern appears. Stop loss, above swing high or above all EMAs. Profit targets, 1 to 1, conservative, and 1 to 2, riskier, with optional trailing stop loss after first target. Practice and backtest, this setup is not a guaranteed win, so test it thoroughly before risking real money. We backtested it on the Euro used 5-minute chart. $100 trades over 1 month. Impressive 73% win rate. Returned a 485% profit. This is number 1 setup. Once you understand the strategy, you may find that you won't need to rely on other strategies anymore. This setup combines 3 free indicators to generate potential buy and sell signals with clear entry and exit rules. Let's start by applying the first indicator. Open the indicator section on TradingView and search for Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner. Add this indicator to the chart. The Trader XO indicator provides clear buy and sell signals, which we will use for our trading strategy. Next, we need to add another indicator to the chart. Open the indicator option and type MACD. Apply the moving average convergence divergence indicator to your chart. The MACD indicator consists of histograms, a signal line, and a MACD line. Now, let's customize the settings of the MACD indicator. In the Style tab, disable the MACD and signal options since we won't be needing them for this strategy. Then, move to the input section and change the fast length option to 26 and the slow length to 100. This will adjust the settings of the MACD indicator to fit our strategy. To add another indicator, go to the Indicators tab and search for MA. Add the moving average exponential indicator to your chart. In the settings, change the length to 200, from 9, and change the color of the moving average line to white. This moving average line will help us determine the direction of the market's trend. To enter a sell trade, we need to meet 3 conditions. A sell signal from the first indicator, Trader XO. The MACD histogram should be below the 0 line. The price should be below the 200 period moving average line. In this scenario, we have all 3 conditions met. The trigger candlestick has closed below the 200 period moving average line. Therefore, we are allowed to enter a sell trade. Place your stop loss at the nearest swing high. Now I am test this strategy in real market. $100 trades over 3 months. Impressive 70% win rate. Returned a whopping 260% profit. Remember, and don't forget to take advantage of the free Fastball website, link in the description. Backtest on different time frames. Use a zero spread broker, link in description. Trade responsibly, manage risk. And if you have any suggestions as to how this strategy can be made better, then please let me know in the comment box.